Donna Charpentier with Hammond Residential, and I'm here today with John O'Hara from Fairway Independent Mortgage. We're at Urban Exchange today in South Boston's West Side, one of the latest boutiques to come to the neighborhood. What programs are out there in Massachusetts that a first-time home buyer should be paying particular attention to?
Well, I think there's a lot of programs that are available where the press, with the changes in the mortgage lending over the last couple of years, there's been a lot of indication that there's not good low down payment programs that are available for first-time home buyers. Now there are. There's the Mass Housing Program, there's FHA, and more recently conventional financing has come in to more of the low down payment where mortgage insurance was hard to obtain on the lower down payments. You can now get conventional financing up to 95% or a 5% down payment. So I think there are some good options that are available that people just need to look into and find that they are available for them.
And this can be a very confusing process for a lot of folks.
Absolutely.
Are there any restrictions or qualifications that people need to meet in order to apply for some of these programs?
Well, mass housing is probably the only one that has a real restriction, and with mass housing within certain communities or certain counties, they have an income limit, and the maximum is $118,000 total income. So if you make over $118,000, then you'd have to look at either the conventional financing or FHA, which doesn't have an income limit. And then conventional FHA requirements are really open to everyone with the qualification that you have to keep your loan limits within the minimum or the maximum that's allowed by program. And it's generally around $417,000.
Okay. And if someone wanted more information about any of these programs, where should they look?
They can contact a lender that they trust. That's probably a good place to start. Find somebody that you trust that's knowledgeable about the programs, that can offer all the programs. Start there. You can also look online. Mass Housing has a great website, which allows you to look at what the programs that are available and kind of the limits within, county by county in the community that somebody's looking to buy in. But really finding a lender that you really trust is probably the most important, because then you can talk to somebody that has access to all the programs, understands them, can talk to to you individually and determine what works best for your particular situation.
So in terms of choosing a lender, though, you mentioned working with someone you trust, so that should be something on someone's checklist when they're looking for a lender. But is there anything else they should be considering when they choose to work with a lender?
I think making sure that somebody that offers mass housing, because not all lenders offer mass housing, so you want to know that you're going to work with somebody that does offer mass housing. Somebody that's familiar with FHA. I mean, that's an important thing. It's, lending now is a little bit of a cumbersome process. So somebody that understands the process, is used to working with first-time home buyers, and can walk you through the process step by step, so that you know exactly what you're getting into and what the process is going to be.